Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to beat Ripto in Spyro 2. First, focus on understanding Ripto's initial attacks. He will often shoot magic projectiles, which you can easily avoid by gliding or running. Your main goal in this phase is to collect the green Super Flame orbs that Gulp drops. Once you have the Super Flame, unleash it on Ripto to deal significant damage. Keep moving and stay alert for opportunities to strike. As the fight progresses, Gulp becomes a crucial element. After you charge into Gulp, he will drop different colored orbs. The green orbs grant you Super Flame, essential for harming Ripto. Blue orbs give you Supercharge, allowing for quick movement around the arena. Always be on the lookout for Gulp's powerful ground pounds and projectile attacks, which can be easily dodged by keeping your distance and staying agile. Strategic use of the power-up orbs is vital for victory. The green Super Flame orbs are your primary weapon against Ripto, so grab them whenever possible. Blue Supercharge orbs are excellent for quickly closing distances or escaping danger. Remember, you can also use the red orbs, which are bombs, to damage Gulp directly, making him drop more power-ups for you to utilize against Ripto. Plan your orb collection carefully. To deliver the final blow, maintain consistent pressure on Ripto with your Super Flame attacks. He will become more aggressive, so staying mobile is crucial. Always keep an eye on both Ripto and Gulp, anticipating their moves. With careful dodging, smart orb management, and persistent Super Flame blasts, Ripto will eventually fall. It might take a few tries, but with practice, you will achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.